welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to create stunning voluminous waves using a 1.25 inch curling iron. Perfect for adding bounce and glamour to your hair, whether it's for a night out or just because. Stay tuned for easy steps and tips to achieve those dreamy curls effortlessly. I just washed my hair and then I blow dried it. Now I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna start with the part and I'm gonna use a hot comb. So I'm gonna use the hot comb, turn that on. I'm using this mirror right here. So I take the curling iron and position the curling iron away from my face, and then I take 1 to 2 inches wide of hair. So small sections of hair, and then I wrap it around the curling iron. Holding in the curl for about 5 to 7 seconds. If you want a more tighter curl, you can definitely hold it in for longer. And then I release the curls by twisting it out of the barrel. And I simultaneously bring that curl down once I release it out the barrel, and then I wrap some more hair towards the end onto the barrel, and then I just simultaneously release it, just like that. Again, I take the curl, I take a section of my hair, and then I position the curling iron away from my face, wrapping my hair around the curling iron, holding it in for 5 to 7 seconds, making sure I get a nice curl from root to end. I release the curl from the curling iron by twisting it down the barrel, and I work my way down from root to end. And there you have it. You want your curls to look like what I'm displaying. Again, I take a small section of hair, about 1 to 2 inches wide. I take the curling iron, positioning it away from my face, and I wrap my hair around the curling iron from root, starting from the root, holding it in for 5 to 7 seconds. I release the curl by twisting it out of the barrel. And I simultaneously repeat the step till I get towards the end, and I just release the curl by twisting it out of the barrel, just like so. So I'm gonna speed up just so you get the gist of what I am doing. I'm all done with my hair. This is how it looks. Well, I'm gonna let it like cool all the way down, and I'm gonna comb it out, and we are going to see the finished touch. So my hair is fully dry, and I am going to comb it out. Honestly, my hair is done and I'm so ecstatic for it. Like, it looks so good. So good. I'm literally wearing these AirPods. Let me turn them off. My hair looks so good. Here are the curls. I know it just like looks so good. And here is my hair. Here's like the side right here. It just looks so great. Like, this is the perfect curls for... It looks really great. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.